I think it's so fun to have these cheap knockoffs, which is a fraction of the price that you would pay for the Bosses, the Diors, or even the Chanel or PACO Rabanne. I mean, LIDL perfume haul galore extravaganza extraordinaire. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alexa, the lady extraordinaire. So the other day I went to Lidl, you know, the German grocery store. I went there to pick up some bread and some veggies, you know. I was hungry and I came across the aisle where they have soaps and detergents and, you know, deodorants, you know, the beauty aisle or the beauty aisle. And I came across a couple of parfums. All the toilets, mind you, but still parfums. And apparently they're very good. I've read about them and people are sort of hyping these gems. And the funny thing is, I'm gonna show you. Here they are. So the funny thing is that this is an X-bowl of the toilet, and apparently it's an exact copy of Hugo Boss bottle. You know, the classic man scent. I used to have that one in a tiny little gift set, you know, and I don't like Hugo Boss. I never did, never will. But yes, it is almost identical. $5. Even the bottle looks kind of the same. And this one, which in Lidl version is called Homme Paris. And it's so cute. It's so cute. I mean, come on. It's made in Germany, I think, but to call it Homme Paris. And this one apparently is a complete knockoff of Dior's Sauvage. Even the bottle looks kind of in that vein of in the realm of Sauvage. You know, with the fading and the smell. I tried Sauvage, I never liked it. I don't understand the hype. I can't stand Sauvage. And of course, I can't stand this one either. But I tried it on and it lasts for hours, more than 10 hours. I put it on my hand last night, I went to sleep, I woke up, I showered before I did my makeup. And I can still feel Homme Paris. Or poor man's Dior Sauvage if you want, but it's so funny. I think it's hysterically, and I think it's wonderful. It's that they do this kind of knockoffs, but for $5. I mean, and it goes on. This one is called One Fragrance, and if you look at the bottle and look at the picture, there's a gold bar behind the text, and you know what the gold bar means? Yes, PACO Rabanne, another perfume which I hate, called 1 million. I think everybody know about it, everybody has tried it, maybe people even have had it, but it's such youthful, cloying, annoying, in your face, come and get me, look at me, I am here kind of perfume, which I absolutely don't like. And here it is in the Lidl $5 version called One Fragrance. And my God, it's so funny and it's so cute. And the thing is, as much as I don't like PACO Rabanne 1 million, but this one is quite alright. I tried PACO Rabanne sometime. I remember the scent, and when I put this on, yes, it reminds me of 1 million, but I prefer this one, honestly. It's not like I'm gonna wear this or even start to buy more bottles or even start liking it, but you know, the better of two evils, you know. I prefer the $5 version of PACO Rabanne 1 million, which is called One Fragrance. And it gets better. G. Bellini, the brand. Oh my god, I keep seeing myself in the mirror here. It's bad lighting. Okay. G. Bellini Deep. And what is this baby a knock-off of? Yes, it's a knockoff of the Bleu de Chanel, that classic male scent which everybody loves, except moi. I can't stand Bleu de Chanel for the same reason I can't stand Sauvage from DIOR. And this, yeah, it is very, very similar to Bleu de Chanel. I used to have a tester of Bleu de Chanel, and I immediately knew it's not for me. I just think it's so funny and cute and great, honestly, that they knock off these huge houses or brands and make their own little, you know, no pun intended, little from LIDL range of perfumes. It's wonderful. I love it. I'm gonna continue to buy all their perfumes because I think it's so fun to have these cheap knockoffs, which is a fraction of the price that you would pay for the actual brand bottles, you know, the Bosses, the Diors, or even the Chanel or PACO Rabanne. I mean, but I love it. I love it. That was my LIDL fragrance parfum haul like no other. LIDL parfum haul galore extravaganza extraordinaire. Thanks for watching. Ciao.